So you have to make sure the letter touches those corners or points or vertices and uses up most of the perimeter as much as possible to make sure that it's still open where it's supposed to be open in the negative space. Okay. I am going to draw a shape, and I have to put my 3 initials in it. And we're going to do a traditional monogram where it's first initial, your family initial, so your last name, and then there's my middle initial. You know, yes, I did it, no, I didn't, are easier checkpoints when you're grading an assignment. Okay, so this is considered traditional, so make sure it's first, last, middle. Then I need to take my shape and I need to separate it into 3 spaces. So I'm going to leave a little bit of a gap because I know in the end product the letters are not supposed to touch each other, which is another checkpoint. And now I have like a point here, a point here. My A has to fill this space. My W has to fit these. Here's the 4 points or vertices. And then the R has to fit here. And I'm drawing only what type of space? Negative. So I'm going to start with my A. And I'm sketching. I'm not looking for perfection right now. I'm just kind of looking for small amounts of negative space, drawing just the A. So now, looking at my W, looking at basic shapes, simple things. This is a triangle. I'm going to start a triangle here because I want to make sure that that takes up some of the perimeter. And then a triangle here. And then in the center, there's a triangle that's open toward the bottom. So when I fill that in, the white left over is a W. Now I have my R. Has 3 negative space shapes. Floating, open, middle right, bottom, center. So I want to kind of balance this. Here's a small area of negative space that's floating. This lines up with this. So I want to make sure that this comes through here. And then center to the right, chunk something out here. And then I have the A, the W, and the R. Yes, it hits the points, it used most of the perimeter, and it looks like it takes up the oval. Okay?